Well, Chris, points against the champions. Sum up your feelings for us.
Disappointment, frustration, happy. Disappointed that we didn't win the game because the ball is over the line. Frustrated with performance of the officials, frustrated with my player getting himself sent off for dissent, and really happy with the way the players dealt with the last half an hour when you're down to 10 men. So probably mixed emotions really. I think, you know, the players, TNS boys have said it's at least 2 yards over the line. The liner has to see it's on his side. And then 2 minutes later, his mate over there puts the flag up and gets involved in the game when the other one didn't. And look, when it becomes 10-11, it's the game completely changes, as we know. But really, really pleased with the players' application, desire, willingness to run for each other, willingness to run for the club. Fantastic.
Well, Craig, can you sum up your feelings at the end of that one for me?
Yeah, I think frustrated is probably the biggest word I'd use. You know, it's we've done really well up until the final third. We've built up play, it's been really good. We've had a lot of sustained pressure and you know, some great opportunities, but not quite made the keeper work as much as what we'd like to. And we've gotten them final third areas with good play, but then just made wrong decisions and not really been as clinical as what we'd like to be in the final third.
What were your overall feelings about the game today?
Hard work. Hard work. We knew they would dominate the ball because it's TNS, a full-time side. All they want to do is pass and move. So they was always going to dominate the ball. We just had to dig in, work hard, and we had to dig in even more when we were sending off. But the lads done it for each other. The past 6 weeks with Europe, we haven't really dominated the ball they have. So this game was perfect for us. It was the same work in training, the same team speech the gaffer gave against Torshavn and stuff. So we knew it'd be one of them games. We're just glad the season has finally started and we can just kick on from here.